Can I have a fish and mushroom?
Or dine or take.
Take that. Friday, we got it. Box and rice. You know how long I've been searching for this? Phoebe, if you're watching the vlog, I know you never watched the vlog. I finally found it in SM. Actually, me and Lolo went there last year. They were not open. I mean, they recently moved into SM. So I made a whole vlog about this thing. Box and rice. Me and Paseo. Anyway, let's start the vlog properly.
So, this is like the third video about drone now. Last video, a video before this, I made a video about a vlog about going checking if I can buy, well, buy is a strong word, if I can afford a new drone. So I went check few prices, made a vlog about it. I think it's the vlog before this vlog. So anyway, today I'm gonna go get myself a drone, a new drone. Damn, I spent so much money. Yeah, let's go back to Alabama.
You're coming with me, baby. Yeah. I already have the remote.
So I'm here at Halabang. I went to get the drone. Unfortunately, the drone, the Mini 4, just now I found out that cannot connect to the RC2, the remote control that I have. So yeah, that's a bummer. So now, and also the shops here in Alabang don't sell just the drone, so it's really hard for me to just get the drone. So I'm planning to go to Makati right now. Today is Sunday. There's like a lot of people here at the mall, like a lot. So anyway, I'm trying to get the bus and then go to Makati and check if they just sell. I just want the unit, I don't want the controller. So the lady at the counter said that only Mini 4 Pro connect to my remote. So I have to go and check also the Mini 4K, and they don't have it here in Alabama. So I'm gonna have to go and check at Makati, Ayala Mall. Let's go to Makati. Yeah, anywho, I was trying to look for a drone here in Makati. Actually, drone here in Makati is way more expensive than in Alabang. So anyway, there's like a little bit of bummer, as I've talked about earlier. The RC1 that I have is only kept compatible with the Mini 3 series, and that's it. It's not compatible with any other drone system. Every drone system have moved to the RC2, so that's a big bummer for me, because I just want to buy a drone and just use my old remote control for it. But now, since it's not compatible with all the drones that owned by DJI, only the Mini 3 series, the 3 series. I'm here in Alabang. I'm in Makati right now. I can't find any Mini 3 series drone, so I'm planning to go to Moa. So I'm gonna get on a train and go all the way to Moa again, since I'm already here, because it will be expensive if I go back home and tomorrow trying to hit Moa. So yeah, that's my plan right now. I'm gonna do that. If it doesn't work, if I can't find anything, any Mini drone Mini 3, then I'll buy a new Mini 4. Yeah, if I can't find a Mini 3, then Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro, then I'm gonna just get a new Mini 4 with the controller, the RC2 controller. So if I can find it today, then tomorrow I'll buy the Mini 4K. Otherwise, I'm just gonna head to Moa right now. B-roll.
Sir?
Yes.
Alright, we are on the final part of this vlog. Man, it takes like a long weird way around to come here. Anyway, so I didn't say where I bought the drone, so I went to Makati. This is the breakdown of how I got the drone. I got the Mini 4K. So I went to Makati and I checked the places there in Makati, but none of the shop was selling like just the drone itself, which is unfortunately that's the factory standard. You cannot buy the Mini 4 or any 4 product of DJI, the fourth generation, without the remote control, because of this one, the new remote control. The whole remote control cannot control the new version of DJI drone. So if you are looking for buying a new drone, just remember that the whole remote, the RC cannot operate any latest drone, only the RC2. Hence the reason why they add like there's no factory sets of you buying the drone only. Everything comes with this remote here, the RC2. So yeah, so I went to Makati. I checked Makati, I cannot find without realizing it. So I went all the way to Moa, SM Moa. It's raining. Travel all the way to SM Moa looking for the drone. So I bought this drone in Moa, in the Andres camera shop. I think it's one of the most popular camera shop because they are also, I saw the what in their website, so I saw the product in the website, so I went to there. I bought it for some price, and then I'm not gonna say the price. So yeah, after that I came back all the way to Ayala again, Ayala, and then come all the way here. So yeah, that was the whole trip for this drone. So I bought the one where you put your phone on. Yeah, so anyway, let's do some testing and see. DJ fly. Go on. Anyway, I'm gonna do some menu around and then see. So yeah. Anyway, I bought this drone. Yeah, that's the Mini 4K. So I'll see you on the next one.